Here's a guide to help you craft a compelling cover letter for any job position. Feel free to customize or modify any part to better fit your personal situation. Prompt: using the details below, write a cover letter. Name: John Stewart. Position: accounting. Company name: New Tech LLC. Previous company: Jordan Exporters, Inc. Experience: 5 years. Education: Columbia University. BBA accounting major. Accounting software: QuickBooks and SAP. By following these guidelines, you'll be able to create a well-structured cover letter that highlights your qualifications and makes a strong impression on the recruitment team.